Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back in Ajib Singh Academy. As you just ask me, sir, please make the video in English also. So I just try to make a video on English also. So now today I'm going to discuss about what are the changes made by the CBSE in class 12 computer science syllabus. And for that I have to show you the syllabus, the old one and new one. So as you are aware about this time CBSE is going to plan for according to the new assessment policy, the whole syllabus is divided into term wise. There are two terms are there, so it's divided into two terms. So let's check what are the differences, what are the parts are there and what parts are not there. Okay, so let's move. So now I'm shifting to my screen and there I'll just show you which components are removed from the current syllabus or what are the new changes are available there. So as you see that this is the class 12 computer science syllabus term 1 and term 2. As you observe, the term 1 is carry 25 35 marks weightage, and term 2 is also having the 35 marks weightage. But you can see that in term 1 the whole 35 marks will come from computational thinking and programming part 2. This is Python. But in term 2 you can see the computational thinking and programming part 2 carry 5 marks weightage, computer networks is having 10 marks weightage, and database management is having 20 marks weightage. So and total these are the 35 marks. So let's move on the next slide, and now you come to know which components are removed from the computer science syllabus. Means in term wise syllabus, what are the new things are there and what are the older things are not there. The first thing, Python libraries are totally removed from here. Earlier we have to teach Python libraries, how to create and how to use the library. These things we are teaching in class 12, but now in this year, in this session, we are not supposed to teach this topic. Recursion is also not there. Recursion is also removed from the new syllabus, that means the term wise syllabus. Idea of efficiency, that is also removed. Q is now there is a one more changes in a data structures. We are supposed to teach stack and queue, but this time Q is not available here. Wireless mobile communications from computer network, these two topics are also removed. The one is the wireless mobile communication protocol, that is the GSM, GPRS and WLL. This is the not there. And second is the mobile telecommunication technology, that is the 1G, 2G, 3G, 4G and 5G is also removed. Let's move to the actual syllabus. I want to show you the syllabus, what are the older syllabus and what are the current syllabus. So now I'm going to show you that syllabus, so just wait for this. So this is the term by syllabus, and now I'm going to show you the syllabus which are published by the CBSE in a month of April of this year. So as you see it here, this is the April 2021 syllabus, and this is the term by syllabus July 2021. This syllabus is just published by the CBSE 2 days before. But this current syllabus and the current syllabus is published in the month of the April, and actually it is at the end of the March, that is the 30th March, something like this. On that day this syllabus was published by the CBSE. So now all the changes are highlighted here. You can see the recursion is available in this side, but this side in a term by syllabus recursion is not available. Create and use of the Python library is available here, but in a new syllabus this part is not there. Explain the concept of efficiency in algorithm computing in general. This is given here, but in this side it is not given. As well as you can see the Q is given here, but the Q is not here. Only till stack you have to teach the students. Another thing there, another difference you can observe here, and what is this you can see it here, what is the new changes are there. The first thing, if we are going to compare the weightage of marks, the weightage of marks of each topic is the same in a both syllabus. Either it is published in a March or it is published right now. In a both you can see the weightage of marks is the same here, but whenever you look at the term wise you can find out there are some changes. So 35 marks from the unit 2 and 5, 10, 20 from database management, 10 from the networks and 5 from the computational thinking. It will come in term 2. Now look at this. I'm going to compare the syllabus topic wise I'm going to show you what is the changes in the syllabus according to the topic. If we observe it, if we check it, then we are going to understand this what are the major changes are there. Okay, so you can see it here. In this there are no changes, all things are same. Only one thing is this is the term 1 to term 1 syllabus, and this is our term 2 syllabus. So in term 1 the all topics are here till CSV file. It means till file handling is going to cover in term 1, and this whole units is having the weightage 35 marks. So this is a very important for us and important for the student also. But while you look at the term 2, you can observe that in term 2 there are so many changes. In term 2 from the computer thinking and programming, only a stack you have to teach the only data structure, that is a stack only. But what about the other concept? You can see Python libraries, this is available in this side but this is not available in this side. Recursion is available in this side but it is not available in this side. Idea efficiency is there but it is not in this side, as well as the Q is there but Q is not here. While you are moving to the next component, that is the computer network, you can see that there is a one more changes, and that is this wireless mobile communication protocols and mobile telecommunications is also not available here. Now move on the practicals. How you are going to conduct the practicals. So what is the difference here? Earlier we were conducting the practical of this according to this you can say the pattern. Okay, so 30 marks practical is going to conduct. In that we have to give the 12 marks question paper that students will do on the system as well as write on the pen paper. That is, and the 7 marks we are giving for the report file, and 8 marks we are giving for the project report, and 3 marks for the viva. So these whole marks are divided into two terms, term 1 and term 2. As you see it here, it is given here how it is divided in term 1 and term 2. Okay, so now you take care of this and you can see and you can find out how the 8 marks questions and components of the 8 marks are divided into 4 marks and 6 marks and 2 marks. You can see that now Python program 6 marks is here. You have to give a lab test, as well as no SQL question will be asked in the term 1, but in term 2 the 2 marks is given for the Python program and 4 marks is given to the SQL questions. In case of the report file, now you all have to prepare the 2 report file. The 1 report file you are supposed to be submit at the end of the term 1, that is the November, in the month of the November, or you can say October, it's better. So in that term 1 in report file you have to write down the 15 programs, at least minimum 15 programs. You can write more than 15 also. In case of the term 2, there are 3 Python programs. There are 5 sets of the SQL queries that is based on the 1 table as well as 2 tables, and at least 2 programs are there that is related to the Python MySQL connectivity. Okay, and here the weightage of report file is the 4 in the term 1. In term 2 the weightage of report file is the 3. In case of the project, if we are going to talk about the project, in term 1 you are supposed to be submit the synopsis only. The students is required to submit the synopsis. Synopsis means you have to just tell out about the topic, on which topics you are going to make a project, what are the requirements of that particular topic, why you chosen that topic. So these things you have to explain inside the synopsis. That is the only the documentation parts are there, and for that you will score 3 marks. But in term 2 you have to write down the code, you have to submit the executable code. That code is based on the synopsis you have submitted, but here you will get a chance, you can make a change here also. If you want to change your synopsis, you can change it. And in this the project file is having the 5 marks weightage. In viva, in term 1 you will get 2 marks, but in term 2 this is the only 1 marks viva is there. Okay, these are the some suggested program for the term 1 and term 2. As I requested you all, it is better if you do the practice of these questions also, because this question is also important for us. Okay, now there are suggested reading. You can go with the NCERT book, you can go with the material published by the CBSE, or you can use any other book also. So this is about the changes made by the CBSE in class 12 computer science syllabus in term wise as compared with the syllabus which is shared by the CBSE in the month of the April. Okay, so I hope so this video is very helpful for you. If you like this video, if this video becomes helpful for you, then please like my channel, share my channel, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.